One night, on the kind of night that lingers, watching the street light glow through a half-closed blind. You were there just holding silence, trying to outrun your own mind. Didn't feel like you were broken, just a little worn and out of place. Like the world kept moving faster while you stood there losing pace. But there's a voice that finds you in the still, soft as breath, stronger than fear. There's a light that never leaves you, even when you cannot see. There's a song inside your spirit, singing softly, you are free. Hold on just a little longer, let the darkness pass you by. Hope is reaching out to find you, like the dawn across the sky. Morning came without a warning, same old sky, but something changed. You took a step without a reason, felt a shift you couldn't name. Someone smiled as you were walking, like they somehow understood. In that moment, small but honest, something in you turned to good. It's not loud, it's never forced, just a quiet change, of course. There's a light that never leaves you, even when you cannot see. There's a song inside your spirit, singing softly, you are free. Hold on just a little longer, let the darkness pass you by. Hope is reaching out to find you, like the dawn across the sky. You don't have to chase forever, you don't have to prove a thing. Every breath is pulling you closer to the life you're meant to live. Through the doubt, through the weight, through the nights you couldn't sleep. There's a hand you didn't notice, still reaching out from deep. Just breathe, stay here. There's a light that never leaves you, burning steady through it all. There's a strength inside your story, waiting every time you fall. Lift your voice into the morning, let it rise and testify. Hope was never far behind you, it was there. Your whole life. And that night you thought would break you was the one that let you see you were never truly